So hello guys, today we are going to discuss class 8 science chapter 1 crop production and management part 4. This is the index of our channel School World. This channel is made for helping all by them understand hard concepts and solving hard sums. School World is also for a quiz. There are 3 sections, section A for understanding, B for solving questions and C for quizzes. So first topic of today is protection from weeds. First of all, you should have a question. What are weeds? Weeds are unwanted plants that grow along with the main crop, and the process of removal of weeds from a plant field is called a weeding. Examples of weeds include amaranthus and chenopodium. There are three methods of removal of weed, which are mechanical methods, chemical methods, and biological methods. First, let's discuss about mechanical methods. Mechanical methods are usually done by farmers manually or by using implements like hoe or rake. There are some disadvantages of manual weeding. First one is that it is very time consuming, and second one is that implements used are made up of iron, so they get rusted and they need to be maintained. These are some pictures of mechanical methods implements. Next comes the chemical method. Chemicals are used to kill weeds and they are called weedicides or herbicides. They are sprayed all over the field using weedicide sprayer and they harm to human health, so farmers wear some special equipment on their nose to prevent them from entering the respiratory tract. And some examples of weedicides include Delapon, MCPA and Butachlor. These are some photos of herbicides or weedicides. Now let's talk about biological methods. Biological methods include bioagents like insects, pathogens, etc. and other animals are used to control weeds, and these insects and pathogens kill the weeds and reduce their growth. See, this is one example of insects which are used for biological method. Now there are some plant diseases which kill the plant. Some examples are rust and smut, which is caused by a fungus in a plant of wheat, blight caused by fungus in plant of potato, and wilt caused by bacteria in plant of potato. Now crop harvesting. After all this process, crops need to be harvested and need to be sold to a retailer. So harvesting is the process of removal of entire plants from their roots in the fields. So after harvesting, plants are stored by farmer, and this harvesting is done by using a sickle manually or by using harvester. And manual harvesting is a process in which the farmer himself cuts all the crops from his field by using sickle, and it is very time consuming and it is done in countries like India who are poor farmers. Next process comes to threshing. So after harvesting, the grain still has the calf with it. So to remove this calf, they generally beat it on a rock repeatedly to take out all the calf. And the threshing is done by using thresher or a machine called combine. Next comes the process of winnowing. After the separation of calf from grain, they need to be separated from each other from their mixtures. So this is usually done by natural wind, or by using winnowing machine. For today, this is only much, and we will come up with new content. Thank you for watching School World. Please like and subscribe.